Welcome back! This is Learning English at Home. Our topic for this week is Home Sweet Home. Activity 1. Let's ask some questions. For example, where do you wash your motor car? Where do you eat lunch? Where do you take a shower? Where do you watch TV? Where do you read a book? And where do you make breakfast?
Number 1. Hi, this is my bathroom. I take a shower here.
Number 2. Hello, this is my bedroom. I do my homework here.
Number 3. Good morning. This is my living room. My sister dances here.
Number 4. Hi, this is my kitchen. My dad cooks here.
Activity 2. Let's learn some new words and phrases. Repeat after me. Number 1, kitchen. Number 2, dining room. Number 3, living room. Number 4, garage. Number 5, bedroom. Number 6, bathroom. Number 7, backyard. Number 8, make breakfast. Number 9, lunch. Number 10, dinner. Number 11, take a shower. Number 12, read a book. Remember, practice the new words and new phrases. You can do it!
Muna's house. Hello, my name is Muna, and I'm 8 years old. I am from Yemen. We are under lockdown here and schools are closed. I stay at home to prevent the spread of COVID-19. This is my house. This is my kitchen. My mom cooks lunch here every day. This is my living room. My sister cleans the living room every afternoon. This is my bedroom. I do my homework here every night. I love my family and I feel happy regularly, but I miss school.